In today's video, I'm going to teach you Shopify POS setup. By the end, you'll have the point-of-sale sales channel added to your store, the mobile app ready to download, and your shop location set so you can start selling in person with confidence. Start at your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left sidebar, look for the option to add a sales channel and choose Add. This opens a prompt that lets you browse the Shopify App Store directly from your admin. Select Shopify App Store to continue. In the App Store, use the search bar and type Point of Sale. In the results, find the official Shopify Point of Sale app. Open the listing to review what it includes. This is Shopify's native POS channel, so it integrates seamlessly with your products, inventory, and orders. When you're ready, proceed by selecting the available Add or Continue buttons you see. Depending on your account and permissions, you may be asked to confirm a few times. Keep following the on-screen prompts. Choose the highlighted actions until you reach the Install option. Click Install to add the POS sales channel to your store. If you're prompted to approve access, confirm so the channel can connect to your products, locations, and settings. Once installation completes, you'll land on the POS channel page in your admin. Here, look for the option Get Shopify POS for iOS or Android. Click that to open the links to the App Store or Google Play. You can download the mobile app to any compatible device you'll use at the counter. A quick tip: sign in to the app using the same store credentials you use in the admin, and make sure your staff accounts have the right POS permissions. Back in the admin, select your shop location for POS. You may see multiple prompts to choose or confirm the same shop location. Keep selecting the correct location until it's clearly set as the active one for in-person sales. This tells Shopify where inventory will be deducted and which address is used for your retail checkout. Next, open the Locations section from within the POS channel to review your locations list. Confirm the address, time zone, and that the correct location is active for POS. If you operate multiple stores, double-check that you've set the intended one for today's setup. At this point, the locations page is ready, your POS sales channel is installed, and the mobile app links are in place. You're now set to pair hardware and fine-tune settings like receipts and payment methods whenever you're ready. That's the full Shopify POS setup from your admin, clean, simple, and ready for your first in-person sale.